Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2010 Chrysler Town & Country. Stock number is 18B41C. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. Taking a look inside right away, you have cloth interior, second row bucket and third row bench seating. Rear-facing entertainment center here. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full touch screen that includes your stereo, and your climate controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Chrysler on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.